I just got out the shower and I want to show you guys a package that I got from whatever the JA. But pull it already, but yeah, I'm showing you. So two of them, that one here and mine. So my friend birthday there around the corner and I bought this for her. See, it's really nice and the material them nice bad, and this one are mine. So these are the underwear. It's a two-piece. So these are the underwear. Look on the material. Could they? When you put on this, you know, hug you know, man. Really nice material. And this at the top. I love it. Guys, what do you think? I really love it. This is the looks. I think I'm going to put on that one here for my honeymoon, because I know when the time comes, I have to run up and down. I search for this, I search for that. So I take time buy from now. What do you think? So this is one of them to the collection. Probably wear it before still, but I try my best to don't wear it until that time. So I have some other swimwears from her. I think I show one of them already, but I'm going to show one again in case you're new. So I have this one. This one is my favorite. I have this orange one too, but I love the next one more. Comment and let me know which one I'd rather. I know I probably said this because it have like more details. I love the color of the one here. I got this one the other day. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put it with the brown one. Put them one side. Guys, as I say, I know when the time comes, I have to run up and down, or let me put it, or I not have enough money to get what I really want. So I'm kind of like just put them one side just to see what I work with. The shorts with Jason. The shorts big. I don't know, probably if I pull the waist it will look better, but I don't know yet. Guys, everything I show them I wear already except them here. I have this one. This is a three-piece. I don't know, I'm not really fancy top, but it's nice. And I have the underwear feet. And I have these. I took it in black and white. I'm glad when I take black and white because them can complement everything. The moment y'all been waiting for. And if I'm not sure about up, I'm sure so them cool properly because we didn't leave them overnight. Alright, Pookie. So what first thing we do? Yeah, the smart one, you know.
You take it two biggest cape and stack them for each other. The first thing we do. Then after
no,
that,
stack it two biggest or put down the two biggest and then put the two small on the top. Okay, so hands clean, guys, don't worry. Ooh, came out good. The butter, ooh, they came out good. Why do I feel like we don't know what to do? What do you think? The one here big, the one here smaller.
yes, do that one now put it in smaller.
Okay, that can't they're gonna look away because this flat, this fat. Guys, think we might have a problem. Alright, so I'm gonna cut off the top of this.
Yeah, cut off like his fat part.
So I can lay down
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
The part here me have to do because I no longer manage it. taste this now. Taste test. Take piece, Mia. Yeah.
That's good.
You like it, Mia?
Yeah. That's complicated.
That's some for Jason. You should always have the good for Jason. Then I'm gonna put this on top.
Yeah. Put this back in here.
Oh my god, you're so smart!
That is big on there.
Okay, so what first thing we do? You're the smart one, you know.
You take the two biggest cake and stack them for each other. The first thing you do. Then after
No,
that,
stack the two biggest or put down the two biggest and then put the two small on the top. Okay. Guys, why is my sister smarter than me?
this is good. Yeah.
So you know what me did I do? So me did I put one of the small one and the big one. But then Pookie came up with a brilliant idea. Why not just stack the little one for the little one and then the two big one together? Alright, so here what we're gonna do. Alright, so I gonna decorate the big one and you want me to decorate the little one?
Yeah.
Alright. Look good, huh?
So good.
Alright, guys. Whoa, Pookie.
Don't make the mistakes.
Okay.
Okay, that's how this is. No!
What?
This This not gonna work out good.
And I trim down the side, if I trim down the side, the cake will go waste. I don't know how I do mine.
Hey, look, put it on me, go down just like this.
Okay. Do yours, I'm gonna do mine. Now manage?
Yeah. Ni put my duck in there. Ni sa may put the mix do.
No, Mia. Yeah, mix up the color then. No, it's not a competition here. Okay, baby, not a competition. We just decorate with cake. That one look good. Alright guys, so we finished decorate with cake. And it was a disaster. Well, how was your experience?
A disaster.
How was your experience?
Disaster.
This is my cake. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. And this is Pookie's cake. What you guys think? And this is Mia's cake. I told her not to put any whipped cream on the cake. And she insisted she wanted it. So I give her. So now, see, it's a melt. But yeah, this is how them turn out. Don't like it? I'm gonna put Pookie and Mia cake in the fridge and I go cut mine. Because I know I must want to see how it look when it cut. Even though I didn't want the icing set, but I go cut it. Because when I watch cooking videos and then I show the end result or them bake one cake and then I cut into it to make me say, look, me always feel away, you know. So I go cut into mine and I'm gonna see how it looks. When Jason come home, I make him do the taste test. He can't push go far. Guys, why me think that this gonna push it go far? Alright guys, so it look inside. It's not bad. And if you see something I run down, it's the whipped cream. That's why I tell me I said if I put it on the earth because I put it on mine and see how much it did melt. Alright, so we're ready for taste it.
Tastes good. 10 out of 10.
Tastes good but? There's no but?
No but.
Okay.
90 out of 90.
10 out of 10.
It tastes good for you.
Just good.
It is really good. So if it tastes good, how you pick it so? You want more?
Yeah.
No, wait. You want more in there? No? Why you don't want no more? I know when my sister not like something, you know. Why you don't want no more? Be honest.
I don't like the chocolate. I don't like chocolate.
You don't like chocolate? You want the vanilla part, Mia? That is sure. So why you never, when we are baking, you should tell if you just make one vanilla, straight vanilla for you.
I love chocolate.
It tastes nice with you guys. We should look at that taste it. Put it in the fridge right now to make the icing set because it look like it's a melt. And then after, I'm gonna share it up. You don't know me. I share up everything. The decorating no look so good, but you're not professional. And we never have the right set of stuff them. So the next time when we go bake, we have to like shop for the things them.
I know fondant.
Yeah.
That they use that wrap on the cake.
You make me feel like me dumb. Hey guys, good afternoon. I know I look a little bit rough right now, but me I wash and clean. And I'm glad somebody baked the cake because we're going to eat that for lunch right now because we don't have no time to stop. So Jason there, I'm going to make him taste the cake. And babe, I'm going to show you the cake when it's icy, right?
I don't think so, no.
Yes, I'm going to video call and show you.
We didn't really see.
So how you say it look good?
No, we just, alright. What we just see over the phone, now I compare to what we see now. So
Alright. Well, I'm going to show you how I see him.
It's look way different now when we see on the phone.
Alright, so I'm just slice up some because we're going to have it for lunch. But what do you think?
You look good. We're ready for mine right away. When I like you, whenever my people eat icing from me in a cake or whatever, and make for your bake, and this is probably the best you do so far. You did that one you do one long time, I say, oh, that is nice, but this tastes like something that I buy at one pastry store for real.
You know one where you did say like the one with the banana, with the coconut and something them funny. So I'm going to end off my video right now. I just didn't want to wait until Jason come home to taste the cake. So I'm going to end off the video. Have a wonderful day guys. Bye.